Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can split the view of your Mac under two windows, like in this example here. So let's get started. Alright, so let's say that we have a couple of windows opened at the same time on our desktop. And when you want to split your view, then firstly you select a window that you want to use. For example, let's choose the calendar app here. And then with the pointer of your mouse, you need to hover this green dot here. Now when you hover on it, then it gives us a couple of options. You can either go full screen or you can tile the window on the left or on the right side of your screen. So let's choose the left part. And as you can see, now our calendar app is automatically put on the left side of the screen. And for the right side, now we have these other two windows opened. And let's say for the right side, we want to use the Safari app. So basically just select this one, and now it automatically arranged on the right side. Now another important thing here you need to know is that there is a divider on the middle of the screen. Now if you prefer, you can drag it to the right or to the left side if you need more space for one of your windows. You can do it like this, and when you drop it, then the windows will be resized. And for exiting the full screen, you can either use your escape button, or again with your mouse pointer, you go to the top of your screen. And now here we can see the dots again. If you click on this green dot again, it easily gets out of the split screen view.